Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles, lever, 72 PZ, 180 screw centres. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, these are supplied boxed with the individual components inside bagged to avoid any damage in transit, any scratch into the handles. In the box you will get your handle set. You'll also get an accessory kit with 2 removable spring cassettes, a solid spindle, and 2 sets of fixings, long and short. These handles are available in silver, as you can see in the video, white, black, polished chrome, and polished brass. The polished brass, polished chrome and silver are salt spray tested to 240 hours, and all handles in the range are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the measurements with you now. So your PZ is 72 millimeters, your screw centers 180 millimeters. The overall back plate is 210 millimeters. Your width 32 millimeters. Top screw to center of the spindle is 65 millimeters. Base of the Euro cutout to center of the bottom fixing is 18 millimeters. Thank you for watching.